10 PC and I want to upgrade this to Windows 11. If maybe you're unsure about upgrading to Windows 11 or you want to know what all do you get, I've included a link to a video in the description that walks through all of that. First off, we have to become a Windows insider. And as an insider, you get to see things before the general public. This way you can test things out, you can provide feedback, and it helps Microsoft polish the product before releasing it. To become a Windows insider, let's go down to the taskbar on the bottom, and in the search field, simply type in Windows Insider and then click on the best match up at the top. This opens up a prompt that asks you to join the Insider program. Click on the button that says Get Started. This will open up another screen where you can choose the Microsoft account that you want to use in the Insider program. If this is your very first time running through this flow, it'll also send you off to a website where you can complete the registration. One thing I found is from filling out the form on the website to being able to download the preview build, you'll have to wait about 24 hours. Once you opt into the Windows Insider program, when you search for Windows Insider, you'll see a screen that looks like this. And right up at the top, you can choose your Insider settings. When I click on this, you have 3 different channels that you can opt into. If you want to get Windows 11 right now, you'll need to opt into the Dev channel. In the Dev channel, you get to see all of the latest new functionality first. However, the one downside is it might be a little bit less stable. You have some additional channels. These get new functionality a little bit later, but they may be a little bit more stable. Once you select Dev channel, let's click on Back. Now that we've selected Dev channel, over on the left-hand side, click on Windows Update and then check for updates. Right here, you'll see that it's now downloading the Windows 11 Insider preview. Once it finishes downloading, it'll kick off the install process. Once the install finishes, click on Restart Now. And after about 1 hour of updating, I now have the latest and greatest version of Windows 11 installed on my computer.